to my vlog. So for today, nag-research talaga ako like the color that I want. So nung nakita ko yon, may nakita akong tutorial, but it's not in YouTube though. It's just a video in Facebook. Hindi ko na lang mahanap yung ano. As she said na dun sa tutorial niya, she used this one. This is Revlon Light Ash Brown. So this is what I will use. I don't know if the bleach is enough for my hair. I think it's still too yellow, but I don't want to damage my hair, so I just leave it that way, because if I will make it white, it might, you know, masira yung bottom part, brittle siya. So let's just keep it that way. And I will just show you this product inside. So it's worth, I'll put in the description the price of this hair color. This is a conditioner, and this is the main one, this one. Alright, so I'm gonna do color with my hair, and I will update you with the result. I hope I'll get the light ash brown. Hi guys, so I'm done putting the hair color in my hair, so I'll just rub it with plastic maybe. So annoyed to myself kasi meron naman palang gloves in the instruction. I did not read the instruction here. It's because it's a different language. So dito English sa kabila, no? Right here's the gloves. After I put all the hair color, I found it. I read the instructions. Lesson learned. So you don't need to buy gloves. It's really included in the product. So guys, I forgot to tell you, you need to leave this for 45 minutes. Especially if your hair is blonde or may bleach na siya. So you need to leave it additional 20 minutes, it says here. So it's supposed to be, it's 25 minutes for gray hair. But for blonde hair or light hair, you need to do it or leave it for additional 25 minutes. So 45 minutes. So ito po yung hair ko outside. So this is the color that I really like. This is what I've been looking for, and nakuha ko siya, achieve. It's really simple, but you know, it's not so light. And it's not dark. Here naman siya. Inside, mainit guys, so yun guys, as you can see, I'm done coloring my hair with the Revlon light ash brown. So I really like it. This is my favorite now. I will not throw this one because sometimes I forget what is the shade or the name of the hair color so that I used previously, which is this one. So right, thank you so much, and I hope you will subscribe and like.